श्रीमती सुधा मूर्ति जी।
Sir, giving me an opportunity to talk. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ 7 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. On the behalf of all nominated members, I would like to welcome you, congratulate you. Sir, your life is a tapestry of so many careers. I don't want to repeat, everybody has done that. You are a well-traveled, understanding person. And you remind me of a beautiful shloka in Mahabharata when Yudhishthira gets all the things after the Kurukshetra war. He says, what is kingdom? What is responsibility? Why one should take? That time Bhishma says, it's a very famous quote, Buddhir balam chane tane nityam dharma tishtati parthava prajanam cha hite yukto bhavaleke sukhavaha. Oh Yudhishthira, who is responsible for this whole kingdom or this whole process, I want to tell you, may your wisdom and your strength be always remained and rooted in dharma. And sir, you know what is dharma. Somebody is patita, you have to hold is a dharma which you are aware of it. Engaged in the welfare of the people always brings happiness, prosperity to society and to the country. On the behalf of all of us, sir, we welcome you. We wish you will do the best. Under your Chhatra Chhaya, we would like to have a lot of debates. And sir, I have a small request. We are 12 nominated members, sir. We are not in others category. You are neither to left nor to right. Next destrosum, next sinstrosum, we are in the middle. We are under you, sir. We have been nominated by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. We are grateful. But we should give us a time separate, not with others. We have spent a lot of time, each one of us, enormous of time in our own field. We would like to contribute it. Give us a little more time and not in others category, nominated category. Sorry to mix up official work with your welcome speech, sir. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
विचारधाराओं में भिन्नता तो लोकतंत्र की शक्ति है। व्यवधान पैदा करके उसे सदन की कमजोरी हम क्यों बनाएं? आपके मार्गदर्शन नेतृत्व में हम मिलकर ऐसे व्यवधानों को दूर करेंगे और तेजी से बदलती आज की दुनिया में सार्थक भूमिका निभाएंगे। यही हमारी कामना है। आपके नेतृत्व में हम सबके लिए चुनौती है कि कैसे संसदीय व्यवस्था का पुराना गौरव पुनः साकार हो, जीवंत हो। अगर हमने नहीं किया तो इसकी बड़ी कीमत होगी। अपनी बात खत्म करता हूं। ऋषि तुल्य प्रख्यात और मुखर सांसद शायद 8 या 9 बार रहे स्वर्गीय हिरेन मुखर्जी जी ने कहा था, इफ पार्लियामेंट डिड नॉट प्राइज इट्स डिग्निटी, इट्स पावर्स ऑल्सो विल बी इम्पेरिल्ड। अगर संसद ने अपनी गरिमा, अपने महत्व की रक्षा नहीं की तो इसके अधिकार भी खतरे में होंगे। आपके अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना के साथ सुखद भविष्य के लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम मिलकर एक नई राह, नई पहचान बनाएं। बहुत बहुत
Honorable Leader of the Opposition.
Honorable Chairman, I rise today to extend heartiest felicitation on my own behalf and on behalf of all the opposition members on your assuming the august office of Chairman Rajya Sabha. While I had already congratulated you on election as Vice President of India, I again take this opportunity to reiterate the same on the floor of the House. At the threshold, I wish to re-emphasize the critical importance of the office of the Chairman, Rajya Sabha, which the Constituent Assembly had intended. Chairman, sir, on your rest the heavy responsibility, smooth conduct of the proceedings of the August Council of States, which goes a long way in maintaining the dignity and pivotal relevance of the House. In this context, I consider it apt to quote the following sage words of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, which in a different way, our deputy chairman has spoken, but this is a relevant portion I am reading from Radhakrishnan's speech. So the first vice president and chairman of Rajya Sabha, during his acceptance speech on 16th May 1952, I belong to no party. Why I am saying? Because many people claimed that you belong to their party. So I belong to no party, and that means I belong to every party in this house. It shall be my endeavor to uphold the traditions, the highest traditions of the parliamentary democracy, and act towards every party with fairness and impartiality, with ill will to none and goodwill to all. A democracy is likely to degenerate into a tyranny if it does not allow the opposition groups to criticize fairly, freely, and frankly the policies of the government. This is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's speech. So I am quoting this, and this is the occasion to remind all of us in these circumstances. Sir, the valuable observations were made by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan way back in 1952 are still very relevant and pertinent. Sir, incidentally, you have not only assumed the same office of Dr. Radhakrishnan, but also share his name, Radhakrishnan जी. तो आप तो राधाकृष्णन जी के हमनाम हैं. हम आशा करते हैं कि आप उनके हमख्याल भी होंगे. So, Chairman sir, I wish to draw your kind attention to an interesting fact, which is that Sri C.K. Kuppaswamy, मैं और एक बार पढ़ता हूं कि Sri C.K. Kuppaswamy, your uncle has been a member of Indian National Congress and elected to Lok Sabha thrice from Coimbatore, which had been your parliamentary constituency now. Honorable Chairman, Indian National Congress staunchly stands by constitutional values and time-honored parliamentary traditions and structured debates and smooth conduct of proceedings of the House. Hence, sir, kindly be assured of our cooperation with you in the conduct of the proceedings of the House. Fair and impartial conduct of the proceedings of the House and providing just opportunity to members of each party, irrespective of the fact whether they belong to the opposition or treasury benches. Needless to state, is essential for the credibility of the august office. Sir, in this context of time-honored parliamentary traditions, I hope you will not mind that I am constrained to refer to your predecessor's completely unexpected and sudden exit from the office of the chairman Rajya Sabha, which is unprecedented in the annals of parliamentary history. Chairman, Rajya Sabha, being custodian of the entire house, belongs as much to the opposition as to the government. I was disheartened that the House did not get.
अरे प्लीज आप बैठिए प्लीज, आप बैठ सर। आई विल लुक इनटू इट, आई विल लुक इनटू इट, आई विल लुक इनटू इट, प्लीज आप बैठिए, प्लीज आप बैठिए।
राज्यसभा,
I look into it, please आप बैठिए।
house belongs as much to the opposition as to the government.
प्लीज
I was
आप बैठिए, I will look into it।
I was disheartened
Please,
that
आप
the
बैठिए।
House did not get an opportunity to bid him a farewell. Regardless, I wish him, on behalf of the entire opposition, a very healthy life. It is our fond hope, rather we are confident that you will take care of the entire sections of the House. Sir, we are confident that you will be impartial and treat the opposition and the treasury benches in equal measures. सर, मैं लास्ट में ये कहूंगा, सभापति जी, अपनी बात पूरी करने से पहले मैं आपसे अपील करना चाहूंगा कि आप अपने आसन से उस तरफ ज्यादा न देखें, उसमें खतरा है। कि आप अपने आसन से उस तरफ ज्यादा न देखें, लेकिन उसमें आप इधर नहीं देखेंगे तो ये भी खतरा है।
बैठिए भैया,
आप उधर
जी,
देखेंगे
आप
तो
बैठिए,
खतरा है
आप
ज्यादा।
बैठिए। आप
अगर
बैठिए।
इधर नहीं देखेंगे तो वो भी खतरा है। तो इसलिए दोनों तरफ आप संतुलन बना रखेंगे तो अच्छा होगा। इसीलिए मैं आपके सफल कार्यकाल की कामना करता हूं। आप जो जिस बैकग्राउंड से आए हैं, जिसका जिक्र प्रधानमंत्री जी ने यहाँ पर किया, ठीक है, हम मानते हैं, लेकिन आप ये भी नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि ये कांग्रेस के घराने से आप आए हैं। और दूसरा कि प्रधानमंत्री बाहर बहुत जोरदार तकरीर करके आए और अपना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करे और हमारे ऊपर भी बहुत इनडायरेक्टली हमला किए, लेकिन उसका जवाब तो हम मुंह तोड़ यहाँ पर देंगे फिर उसके बाद में जो कुछ था। इसीलिए आपकी शुभकामना मैं देता हूँ। आप सबको धन्यवाद।
अरे